Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Today we will analyze the Didi Index, a custom trading indicator that works like a radar to help traders spot when a trend might be gaining strength, created by a professional trader with 40 years of trading experience. I will show you how to use it and also test it across more than 5,000 trades to uncover its true profitability. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So, as usual, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Didi Index, and you can use this version provided by Everget, which is free. By definition, the Didi Index is a momentum oscillator designed to identify trends and potential reversals in the market, and it was created by a Brazilian technical analyst called Didi, a trader with more than 40 years of trading experience. This indicator is made of 3 moving averages with different lengths, a short term, a medium one and a long term, and displays 2 lines on an histogram. A green one, which is calculated by dividing the short-term moving average by the medium one, and then by a red line, which, likewise, is calculated by dividing the long-term moving average by the medium one, and it is very simple to use. When the green line crosses above the red one, it means the market's price has a high probability of rising, and the opposite is true when the red line crosses above the green one. These crossovers are also highlighted on the histogram by these green dots and red ones. By default, its settings are 3, 8 and 20, but to clear some fake signals I prefer to use another combination which is very simple to remember: 10, 20 and 30. And as you can see, in this way we can clear some fake signals and make the indicator more accurate. But of course this is in a theoretical way, because to discover if the Didi Index is really efficient or not, we'll need to backtest it, and not in 20 or 50 trades, but in thousands of them, in order to get solid results. To do this we need 3 things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding the technical system, in addition to the Didi Index, I will also use a 200 period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here we have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. And regarding the testing conditions, we will backtest the indicator on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. And in short, these are our backtest conditions. Let's now see how the Didi Index will perform. To speed up the backtesting process, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. If you are not familiar with this tool, it allows me to test endless combinations of indicators and strategies quickly, simply and efficiently. With a selection of 70 indicators and ongoing additions, it offers a flexible platform for traders. Joining me, over 100 traders currently use this tool with outstanding feedback. For more details, click on the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. Once we have set all the conditions we discussed earlier, including the Didi Index with the settings of 10, 20 and 30, and the 200 period EMA for baseline, the trading bot will display every valid trade on the charts with the respective stop loss and take profit. Besides that, it also provides the monthly results here in this table and the overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. Since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create the trading journals. I see you in a minute. While you watch the backtest, let me introduce you to TraderEdge. If Excel backtesting feels tedious and difficult, TraderEdge is your ideal solution. Simple, fast and efficient, it automatically analyzes your strategy results in both backtest and forward test modes. For a limited time, they are offering over $1,400 worth of free courses and trading strategies upon sign-up. Includes a beginner-friendly course, 4 unique strategies with indicators, rules and results, and a comprehensive backtesting guide. With a 5-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's a risk-free opportunity. Click on the link in the description below and try TraderEdge today. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 5,600 trades across the 3 different timeframes. In the 30-minute one, after more than 3,200 trades, the Didi Index achieved a win rate of 48.48%, and it wasn't profitable. So, for a smaller time frame, this indicator doesn't seem to be a good choice. But let's move on to the 1-hour time frame test. Here, after 2,300 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate close to 53% with a net profit of 345%, which was a solid return. Here you can find other important metrics and the results from every asset, where you can see that with the exception of Ethereum, all of our assets had great results. Below, you can find the final equity curve, which was highly consistent for a simple strategy like this one. It had just one big drawdown here, but that is something that can be easily fixed by adding a volume or a filter indicator to this system, as I showed you in one of the previous episodes of this series regarding the use of a filter indicator. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 100 trades, the indicator achieved decent results as well. Overall, based on this comprehensive analysis across multiple time frames and assets, it is clear that the Didi Index is an indicator with a lot of potential and is probably more suitable for a day trading strategy. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. Now, just to give you a real example of how a filter indicator can make a big difference in this strategy, going to my indicators testing bot one more time, I can check this option here to use a filter indicator. And for this example, I will select the super trend. And as you can see, on the 1-hour chart of Bitcoin, the net profit increases from 33 to 54%, the win rate jumps from 52 to 56%, and the max drawdown decreases from 24 to 15%. And all of this in fewer trades, which is very good to cut our trading commissions. And just like I selected the super trend, with this trading tool you can test other indicators to find out which one is the best. In our ranking sheet, after taking into account all the results, I believe the Didi Index Fair Place is here. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. And so, the purple cloud will continue to be our top indicator tested so far, and you can watch the corresponding video here. I remind you that you can access this document through the first comment down below. On the first page, you will find this table with a ranking of the indicators tested in this series, and on this other page, you will find the results of some strategies we have already tested on the channel. Also, if you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. By the way, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, AlgoTradePro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.